this case,
No,
I have filed.
why the register is showing the pending of IA number 1 when it is already decided? Call the concerned person for listing register.
Lordship, actually, in this case, respondent number 10 is no more. He has expired. So I have filed a substitution petition. So let the substitution petition be allowed first and let it come.
What is the relief sought by the petitioners?
Relief. Actually, the one line case is that the purchase, actually it was purchased by us, the appellants. And they have also purchased, the respondent
What is purchased? Purchasing what?
purchasing land. Land, actually, the plot of land.
It is maintainable insofar as land is concerned. You have a remedy before the civil court.
No. The thing is that I'm coming to the point. Actually, in the civil court is remedy. So that is the prayer we have made. That is the prayer we have made. DCLR cannot decide a title. DCLR has decided a title. It is a remedy before the civil court.
Why this scratch in the...
Just come let it go from here.
Writ application.
We have filed a substitution and Lordship has very admittedly, I admit that it is a matter of civil court. They have to file, it is a title dispute. They say that the petitioner, the respondent say that we have purchased. And we said that we have purchased from, we means appellant said that we have purchased earlier from a rightful owner. They said that we have purchased from some other owner. So when this is a question of title, BLDR 2009, it has to go to civil court. Let them file a petition in civil court. They have, DCLR has decided the title. When in Maheshwar Mandal case, it is very much settled that it has go to civil court. That's what my prayer is.
Where is the order of the land single judge?
Learned single judge, there are two orders. Actually, the petitioner, Lordship, in fact, the respondent, just, Lordship, allow me just to. Actually, some of the documents are being kept by Jagannath Yadav's lawyer, and she is not here. There are learned single judge, actually, he has passed an order which I have annexed here.
Where is that order of the single judge?
Single judge, there are two orders passed. First order,
Sir, all right, where is that?
at page number 24, annexure 3 of my IA. 2070 2020
IA number?
IA number, Lordship 1. Rudal Sahni I am referring. There are two analogous cases.
Sir, we are not getting the document.
Yes, I will before.
IA number 1 is there, he says,
I number 1 is before this court.
in the writ application. LPA.
Yes, in the
LPA IA number 1 is this, 1 of 2022.
There are two LPAs. I am arguing for Rudal Sahni 28519. Jagannath Yadav is serial number 2. Both are analogous cases, same case. But since the Wakalatnama had come in different times, so two LPAs were filed. And
No proper assistance, matter will take long time.
Lordship, next day we will finish up this case, no problem.
Not next, first we have to understand the case, no?
Lordship, I am here.
Courtmaster, give this. Ask him to show where is the single judge order in the IA.
Memo. Eight. There are two others. Lordship.
Sir, the council,
Lordship,
one more order must be there. This is not along with the IA.
this is with the LPA. Because LPA I have challenged this order. And there was
They are
another.
going to dismiss if you are not assisting the court properly.
I'll show the other also. Let me see.
First of all, LPA should have been dismissed at threshold in not furnishing the single judge order.
No, I have furnished. I'll show. There are two orders, LPA first. They had, I'll show.
See, you are the appellant counsel. You are not able to search for a impugned order of the learned single judge.
Sir, one or two cases pass over. I will just arrange everything and place it. Just give me one. After one or two cases.
After few cases,
After few cases.
call the case, next case.
I will arrange and I will show. Lordship.
Hardly we have half a day, Wednesday. If you are consuming half an hour for just searching a document,
I'll search and I'll give. Just-
what is the fate of other counsels who are waiting for their turn?
I'm obliged, Lordship. You have given me time.
Serial number 3 is also his case, my lord.
All right, 3 also, after few cases.
Serial 4 is adjourned for 2 days. Serial number 5, Food Corporation of India versus Uzair Alam for the appealant Sri Prabhakar Tekriwal.
Serial number?
5.
IAs are pending. What is this IA number 1, 2, 1 and 2?
Condonation of delay, ma'am.
How many days?
44 days.
Who is for the other side?
Yes, ma'am.
Will condone the delay. Heard 1 up to 2020 for condonation of delay in filing LPA for about 44 days for the reason stated in the application and affidavit. Delay is condoned. On merit.
On merit, my lords, writ petitioners, respondent 1 to 3, they were proceeded for charges of, my lord, financial irregularity and other administrative lapse.
They are representing Food Corporation.
Food Corporation of India. My lords,
What is the error committed by the single judge?
my lords,
Ask him to wait.
under the regulation of FCI, which is quoted in paragraph 9, if my lord,
Paragraph number,
paragraph 9 of my lord, my LPA that is quoted.
not LPA, sir. From the learned single judge order, you have to point out.
That is what I am pointing out. My lord, the power is given, my lord, in reviewing authority. It reads, notwithstanding anything contained in these regulations, the board may at any time either on its own motion or otherwise call for records of any inquiry and review any order made under these regulations and confirm, modify or set aside the order, or confirm, reduce, enhance or set aside the penalty imposed by the order, or impose any penalty where no penalty has been imposed. C, remit the case to authority which made the order or to any other authority directing such authority to make such further inquiry. Now in this case, board has reviewed and has,
Board has reviewed suo moto.
yes, my lord, and remitted the matter for a fresh inquiry. That is what has been set aside by Honorable Court, saying that this at any time cannot be construed 5 years period because the order of exoneration was passed in 2014 and the reviewing authority has reviewed it in 2019.
1 second, what is the date of penalty order?
Penalty has not been awarded, my lord, they were exonerated.
No, sir.
One,
How, against which order reviewing authority has exercised power under section 70?
my lord, they were only censored.
That is the punishment, censured. What is the date?
That is, my lord, 2000, I am giving the date. 7/3/14,
7/3/2014.
yes. And
The authority.
yes,
And it was
reviewed on 4/1/2019.
4/1/2019.
19.
Now you are relying on that at any point of time,
Yes,
the power can be exercised.
and learned single judge has held that this any time cannot be constant.
Correct, correct,
This is the,
correct, sir. After 5 years, you can't exercise power. At any time means at least a reasonable period is,
that is,
assuming that with reference to civil procedure code, 3 years limitation. That is the reasonable. That's all.
but this is, though we have given explanation for delay, but that has not been accepted.
Sorry.
This is all, my lord.
Let's take down. The present LPA is filed against the order of the Learned Single Judge dated 16/9/2019, passed in CWJC 33/25 of 2019. So stop. The respondent number 1 to 3 were subjected to disciplinary proceedings, and it was concluded in imposition of penalty of censure on 7/3/2014. To stop. The competent authority exercise power under section 74 of the Food Corporation of India within bracket staff regulations 1971. It can't be 74, section 74. It should be regulation number 74.
Yes, my lord, it should be regulation number.
Regulation number 74 of the Food Corporation of India within bracket staff regulations 1971. So regulation 74 reads as under. The competent authority has exercised power of regulation 74 in reviewing the disciplinary authority's order dated 7/3/2014 on 4/1/2019 while remanding the matter, while setting aside the order of disciplinary authority insofar as imposition of penalty of censure and remanded the matter to the inquiry. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order of the reviewing authority, the respondent 1 to 3 filed a CWJC so and so. Next, Learned Single Judge proceeded to allow the petition on the score that reviewing authority cannot exercise power beyond the reasonable period of time, merely regulation 74 stipulate at any point of time at any time either on its own motion or otherwise. Having regard to the dates and events read with the regulation 74, one has to draw inference that at any time cannot be given leash to the competent authority to exercise power after more than 3 years. With the reasonable period of 3 years is required to be taken note of with reference to filing of a civil suit in filing of a civil suit under Civil Procedure Code. Whereas the reviewing authority has exercised power of review after 5 years. Therefore, we find no merit in the present LPA. Accordingly, LPA stand dismissed while affirming the order of the learned single judge dated so and so passed in CWJC so. Pending IS, if any